Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how you can scan QR code or QR bar in WhatsApp from another device. First of all, launch your WhatsApp application, get logged into your account, make sure that you are on the chat section, then select the three dot icon on your top right. From here select linked devices. Now as you do that, you will see a page like this. Select link a device. Now as you can see, it says open WhatsApp web, desktop app or other devices, and simply this is a camera. You're going to have to scan the QR bar from here. So likewise, if you would like to do it, all you have to do is you have to open your browser, maybe in your PC, and type in web.whatsapp.com. As you do that, a QR code will be generated itself, and you're going to have to repeat the process that I showed you. And once done, simply take your camera and scan the QR bar. It will auto-detect itself. Once done, all you have to do is wait for a couple seconds and the devices will be synced. Thank you all for watching.